Bundé dal Parc Natural Fanes Sennes Braies.
A very good morning from the natural park Fanes Sennes Braies. Here is the starting point of our naturalistic excursion, an adventure that takes us through a living landscape that has more than 250 million years. After the first steep part of the hike, close your eyes, rest for a moment, then you discover that the mountain is not silent. It is the refuge of some of the most incredible species on Earth. The flowers and plants has nothing to envy to a tropical forest. You have to be special and colorful to attract different species of insects to these heights. The magnificent ungulates like the chamois, the red deer and the roe deers must forage every few hours. So there is the possibility to spot them in the high meadows. Here there are even rarest species like the hermelin, the snowshoe hare, and even the great return of the great predators like bear, lynx and wolf, and the lesser known birded vulture and the northern bald ibis. We have crossed meadows of gentianacee, ericacee, orchidacee and apiacee, and we have reached one of the most beautiful places of Fanes. It is the melting point of the geological periods of the Triassic, the Jurassic and the Cretaceous, represented by the rare Encrinite di Fanes Piccola, Ammonitico Rosso, Marne del Puez. On these layers the mighty ibex have returned after more than a century, and here is the reign of the golden eagle.